Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Audi A4 2.0T Quattro. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Audi has less than 143,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city, and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, and window defogger.